Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in your very, very, very good health, enjoying your day and enjoying the weather. Yeah, got hot. But it'll soon rain, maybe tomorrow or tonight. So because it's monsoon, so we have to enjoy the weathers. But yes, keep yourself safe. Don't go in the crowded places because it's still you need to take you to follow the rules. To keep the social distancing, which is really, really, really important. So right now we are in our arts class, and we are doing we are making an animal today. Yeah. But it's not a land animal, it's not a bird. Yes, that is an animal which lives in the water. Yes, we have done fish before, so we're not going to do fish today. Fish, yes, kind of a fish. We are not doing fish today, but yes, we are going to do a different kind of fish. So for that, first of all, I'm going to show you that what we will be needing. I have taken this paper. This is a little, it's not white. This is a little grayish kind of paper. So I'll be needing this. Then I will definitely be needing like different kind of scissors. Okay, but right now I will be using this small scissors. And then yes, I will be needing the ribbon. Yes, I took the shiny white ribbon, right? Because this goes with this, right? So I took this shiny ribbon. Then I will be needing the glow stick. Yes, okay. So these are the things which we will be needing uh, for today's project. Because what we're going to make today, Mm, we are going to make a jellyfish. Yes, we are going to make a jellyfish today. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, we need to take this paper, right? With which we're going to make the jellyfish, right? So this will be the body of the jellyfish, and we will be making the lower part of the jellyfish with this ribbon, right? So first of all, what you're going to do is we are going to paste the legs of the jellyfish over here, right? So as I shown you this ribbon, I cut this ribbon into half, so make like a little thin legs of the jellyfish, right? This is a little thick, so I took this one to make the legs a little thin. So I have cut them into half, right? So they are all of different length because the jellyfish will have different lengths as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to paste them over here first. Okay, so we are going to paste them over here. As I told you, they're not of the same length. They're all of different lengths. So we are going to just paste them over here, and we'll see if we'll be needing a little more. We will cut the ribbon more, right? I think I just cut 8, something like that. I did not count. So we are just going to right. Okay, the more ribbon there will be, it will look nice because that it will have like more and more legs. So this is how we have this over here, right? This is how it looks like, right? I think we need to cut a little more over here, right? So with the help of this small scissor, because this big scissor will be needing for the cutting of this paper. So for the ribbon, we are going to take the small scissors. But as I always tell you that you are not going to use the scissors on your own. You are going to ask somebody to help you, right? So we are just going to cut the ribbon from the middle like this. Okay, so we'll be needing a little more of the thin strips of this white ribbon, right? Because the more legs it will look nice, and this should not be very properly cutted by, because this is like some will be long, some will be short, some will be thick, some will be thin. So that's okay. That's not a problem, right? So you see, we cut these two, and we are going to cut them like this, and then paste it over here, like this, and like this. Yeah, looks good, right? So now we have something like this over here. I think this is good enough, right? This is good enough. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to just turn the paper like this, and we are going to paste the half of the portion over here, so that it will be pasted. And in this way, this will be like a little thicker. So this will look a little more pretty, right? So here we need to spread this, because my glue stick, I need to spread it all over. My glue got dry, so I'm trying to just spread it like a butter or a peanut butter, right? So I'm just trying to spread it all over, because we'll have to cut this in a shape of the jellyfish that will be a little round, right? Okay, so now when we're going to paste it, this will be, the legs will be inside over here, so this they will not show. There are like a couple of other ways to make jellyfish as well, but I took the easiest right now to show it to you, so you can, like, at home these days, you will be able to make it. Okay, so you see, we have something like this from here as well, and from here, right? We have something like this, right? Now this is like, this looks like a jellyfish, but from here the jellyfish is not rectangle, so we have to give this a little shape as a jellyfish. So for that, we are just going to draw, right? Yes, we're going to draw. So for that, I'll be needing my pencil. Who took my pencil? Okay, yeah, I took it myself, no problem. Okay, so here we are just going to draw. I hope that is clear to you, right? So what we're going to do is that we are going to make this a little curve, a little more curve like this, right? A curve there, like this. I think we should do it like this, a little round, right? Okay, now I just want to cut it to give it a shape. You must have seen the jellyfish out, if anyone of you have ever visited the sea. You can find them over there. Sometimes they bite you. Oh my god, they bite you so bad. Then you have to go to the doctor sometimes. Yes, that's true, that jellyfish bites, right? Okay, so we're going to take off the waste paper. So, yay, wow, now look at this. I'm just going to just sprinkle a little. So now have a look at this. This is the kind of like, mostly the jellyfish is a little round from here, and it has got like many legs, which is hanging down, right? So, and it is transparent. Basically, the jellyfish is transparent. So that's why I've made it with white paper. This is not white, this is a little grayish, which is not even easily visible. So, and I took the shiny white ribbon to make the legs. So this is the way the jellyfish moves here, like this. Now, if you're going to watch the television, you can even see that uh, how the jellyfish moves. Okay, now what we can do is to add a little more fun. We can even make the eyes of the jellyfish. Yeah. Oh, so we're going to see that she is happy with us or not, right? Okay, so we have made the eyes for the jellyfish. Yay, and a little smile on her face. That's great. That looks better now. Yeah, she should be happy because we want a happy, happy, happy jellyfish. Wow. Now a jellyfish is super happy. She's enjoying. One more thing, what we can do is, where did I put my, just a minute, I'm going to tell you. Yeah, now one more thing, as I was telling you, you can do is, you can just punch a hole over here, just in the middle of the jellyfish. Here. Okay. Oh, we have punched a hole. And what you can do is you can take the ribbon which we have used, and you can just like this. You are going to. You can just tie it, or you can just paste it. That's up to you. What do you want? I'm going to take the, oops. Oh. Yeah. I am going to put a little of the glue over here. So they are going to get stuck over here. Yay. Now, wow. Now, just pasting, you can even hang it in your room like this, right? So you can hang it in your room, so when it is moving, it is the legs are also moving, and that is going to give you a wonderful, wonderful view, right? So a happy, beautiful jellyfish, right? Yay. Okay, so a jellyfish is coming, and see, this is moving. Yay, the jellyfish is moving. It's in front of the, if you're going to put it in front of the fan, the legs will be moving. The happy jellyfish will be even more happy because we cannot put them in sea. We won't be able to find her there, right? So we have made this beautiful, beautiful jellyfish. I hope you all like it. You can make a pink jellyfish, you can make a little like blue jellyfish, you can make a yellow jellyfish. You can even experiment it with very different things, like from here for the legs. You can even use the shopping bags, the cutting of the shopping bags. If you don't have this ribbon at home, that's not a problem. You can take the cuttings of the shopping bags. If you have that packing material which you just press and make sounds with, you can use that. You can cut the strips, the straight strips. For that, you'll be needing the straight strips, so you can use those as well. well. But the ribbon looks very nice because jellyfish is white, it's shiny, it's transparent. Sorry, it's not white, it's transparent. So that's why I chose this beautiful white shiny ribbon, right? So I hope you liked my beautiful jellyfish. I like it. It is not very well obvious over here, so I'm going to put it over here. So my jellyfish is happy, and I'm not going to put it in the water. I'm going to hang it like this in my room. So see, it's moving. Yay, it's moving. She's looking here and there. Oh, where am I? This is the new place I'm seeing today. So this is the way you can make the jellyfish at home, just using glue, paper, and ribbon. But don't use scissors on your own. Ask somebody else to cut it for you, right? Because that will be dangerous for you. So I hope you have liked today's activity of the jellyfish. I liked it too, and you're going to make that. So this is it for today's class, and I'm going to see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and please be grateful for whatever you have. So till we see each other, inshallah, very soon, I'm going to say you goodbye and Allah Hafiz.